Hi guys, so the last trade I posted, we got wiped. We got wiped because our stop loss was just beneath this point, right? And as you can see, the price kept going down. Well, I was expecting the price to go up, but it kept going down because the United Kingdom had an inflation rate news that came out worse than expected, which was this bar. This time frame is a 4 hours time frame. So I'll switch to 1 hour time frame. But before then, the price came down. I bought this position and I took partial profit already. So the price came down to this our demand zone based on our 4 hours time frame. And as you can see, there was a rejection there, but I waited to see a bullish candle, and this was a bullish engulfing. This was a bullish engulfing that came out. So after this bar, I bought this position, put my stop loss beneath the last bar, right? This was the red candlestick, that's the bearish candlestick. That was where my stop loss is. And why I bought it is because of top-down analysis showed me that the market might actually be heading up. Even regardless of the inflation rate of the United Kingdom, which made this long bar that wiped us out, right? So what initially happened was because there is a fair value gap. So when I saw that pin bar on that engulfing on my 4 hours time frame, I knew price was going to cover this fair value gap. It was going to cover this gap it's printed, because as you all can see, there was a rejection here yesterday, but the price didn't get to this place to cover the fair value gap. So today now, there were news coming out, obviously the Japan trade balance, and also some economic news of USD, which was the jobless claims and initial jobless claims, So even though the price was on a downtrend, right, that engulfing bar I saw on 4 hours made me buy the market from this point, because I also saw another pin bar here. So I bought the market to this rejection area. And as you can see, the market broke it, but it was respecting this our downtrend, right? Now the news came out positive for the United States dollars, but the price broke and it broke this our supply and demand zone where it rejected yesterday. Today it broke it and it retested it. So I now added another position because I already closed the first position I opened here. So I bought another position. When I saw this rejection, I switched to my 15 minutes and 30 minutes to confirm the candlesticks that it's making. And already I could see higher highs already forming, and it was respecting it on the 30 minutes and 15 minutes time frame. So as you all can see, it went upwards, and my last swing high was this. So this was where I took my partial profit around this area. So today by 12 a.m. there will be 12 a.m. West African time, there will be another news of inflation rate based on the Japanese yen. And as you all know, this is British pounds Japanese yen pair. So as you can see, there's a fair value gap here around this area, and as you can see, this is an uptrend. So I expect price to come down and test this my uptrending line, right? Depending on the candlestick it prints when it comes here. I want to see an engulfing or a pin bar, then I'll buy it to the next swing high, right? So let's see what happens. And tomorrow the British pound has some retail sales news. Hopefully the market goes in favor of us. So we lost money yesterday, but we made money today too. Thank God.